Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by Marvel Rivals players, Error Code 5. Don't worry, we're going to troubleshoot this together and get you back to the game. Error Code 5 in Marvel Rivals can be a real buzzkill, but fear not. Here are a few tips to help you fix it. First, try the basics. Restart the game in your console. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. Make sure your router is working properly and consider using a wired connection for better stability. Next, take a look at your firewall and antivirus software. Sometimes these programs can interfere with online games. Try adding Marvel Rivals to your firewall's exceptions list or temporarily disabling your antivirus. For PlayStation 5 users, updating your system software and rebuilding the database can also help. If none of these solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out to Marvel Rivals support. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or information about known issues. These are the few simple steps to help you overcome Error Code 5 in Marvel Rivals.